Good morning. 5:30 in the morning, Monday morning, August 1st. And we're going to be running X and Comfort along with XL and Premier on Uber. And since I turned this on, I've already gotten 2 X requests. One 12 minutes away, one 16 minutes away. We ain't going crazy. Anyway, August, slowest month of the year. We're going to see how this works out. We're going to see if I can handle it. Sometimes you got to get back to your roots. Yeah. All right, so just filled up $50 in the hole this morning. Got my first rider on the hook. Let's go get Stephanie. Let's go get Stephanie. Let's go get Stephanie. So the other thing I'm doing too is I'm going to try to keep this as transparent as possible. And mileage this morning so that I can keep an average of that. Plus, you know, how many total miles I do. Because I think that's important. There is going to be one little caveat. I need to get my oil changed. Got to do that first thing this morning after I'm done. I think they open at 7. I did get in a couple of rides this morning, 2 rides. But 7 a.m. it's time to get the oil changed. She needs it, so I'm going to do this right. The only problem is it's, you know, fucking Monday morning. I should have probably took care of this over the weekend. My bad. All right, good morning. Yesterday didn't go exactly as planned. But we did, 5 rides total, 4 X rides on Uber, 1 ride on Lyft for like $70, $71. But I also had a private client last night. I picked up from a friend of mine. That was $100. So $170 for the day yesterday. I spent $100 on the oil change and $50 on gas. So I made what? $20 yesterday. Anyway. It's Tuesday, it's 5:30 in the morning. Let's get this day started. All right, so it's Wednesday morning, it's about 10 a.m. And I'm gonna be honest with you. Yesterday I did about another $70 in the morning. And I didn't go out in the afternoon or the evening. Because I'm trying to do this morning thing. And I'm now convinced that it's just dead slow. And I know Uber and Lyft just got a nice pop off their earnings yesterday, and Lyft will be reporting this afternoon. But, yeah, no. Driving for X, when you have options to drive on a higher platform, it's a whole nother ballgame. So I did 6 Uber rides for $55, with the last ride taking me someplace I didn't want to drive. Because traffic is just horrendous down there in Miami. So I went on XL only, XL and Premier on Uber, and already I'm on Lyft XL and up. And I didn't get another ride coming all the way back up, right? Coming towards Fort Lauderdale Airport, try to get a late straggler. But the difference is this: I could be in an area parked and waiting and make the same money on one XL ride or Premier ride or, Lux ride or Lux Black or what have you, versus running around and burning all my gas and adding miles onto the vehicle for the X rides. Now, I get it. Not everybody can do the upper platforms, right? For whatever reason. But for me, I put in my time. I put in the work. That's why I have the vehicle. And for me, the X experiment is over. There are other ways to make money. And I'm always going to make my money, but, yeah, it's just not worth it. I feel for those guys that are just getting started. So what we're going to do is, I'm still doing my videos. This stuff ain't easy, trust me. I'm actually going to cut, probably 3 or 4 videos today. They won't all come out today. And, we're going to get into the cleaning, but I'm going to really start focusing on those drivers, guys and gals, or what have you, because we live in that world. And I'm going to start focusing more towards the luxury platforms. Uber Premier, Premier SUV, Lyft Lux, Lux Black, Lux Black XL. Because Even though I'll go through all the news and stuff with Uber and Lyft because it affects us all, I'm not turning my back on, my ex-riders or ex-drivers because y'all need it too, man. And I want you guys to achieve. I want you guys to, for whatever you're trying to do with this, I want you guys to get there. Whether it's a side hustle, full-time gig, whatever your deal is, bro, I'm going to try to help you get there. So with that, listen, I'll be out tonight and excelling up. That's just the way it is. Yeah. All right. Peace out.